Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this channel, Unyistitches, we upload videos on sewing tutorials, pattern drafting, DIYs, and sewing tips. So in today's video, we want to learn how to draft a petal sleeve. So we are going to explore different kinds of sleeve, how to draft different kinds of sleeve, and we will cut and sew some of them. So the first one that we want to start with will be a petal sleeve, and what we need is your pattern paper, your basic sleeve pattern. If you don't know how to draft your basic sleeve, I will drop the link on the description box. We have a detailed video on how to draft your basic sleeve. You need your measuring tape, your tracing wheel. But your tracing wheel is optional. If you don't have a tracing wheel, that is fine. You can just use your free hand. You need your marker and your roller and your scissors. So to start with, the first thing you will do will be for you to draw a straight line on this your pattern paper. You will draw a straight line which will serve as the center of your sleeve. So after drawing a straight line, you will place your basic sleeve. Then you will make sure that the center of your basic sleeve matches with the center of the straight line you drew. Then you will trace the basic sleeve to your elbow level. Let me recap what I said. After drawing this straight line, place your basic sleeve. Make sure that the center of the basic sleeve matches with the center of this your pattern paper. Then you trace out the basic sleeve to your elbow level. So let's do that now. So after tracing it, I will then use my marker to draw the line. Can you see? So the next thing now will be for me to name this my point as my A point. Then on this underseam, I'll come down by 3 inches, and this depends on your preference. You can use 2.5, you can use even 2, is your own preference, even 1.5. Then on here I will measure 3.5 inches. Starting from the center of the sleeve, I'll measure 3.5 inches. That is my 3.5 inches. Then from this, my cap sleeve, that is the point A, I will measure 6 inches. And I will call this my point B, and this is my point C. So I will go ahead and connect this point to here, and that will serve as my petal style line. So I will use my curve roller. You can decide to use your free hand. It depends on what you want. Can you see? And this is my back sleeve. Then I will use this, my back sleeve, to trace out my front sleeve. So I will turn it this way. Before then, I will draw a straight line as well. So I'll make sure this, my line, matches with this straight line. Can you see? Then I will go ahead and trace this out. So I will use my marker and trace it out. Can you see? So I will cut it out. This will serve as my front sleeve. So this is the two pattern for the front and for the back. When you're cutting it on your fabric, if you're using the same fabric, you cut these two and you cut these two as well. If you're using lining, you cut this one and you cut your lining. And that is just it. So the next thing you will do, make sure you matches the lines together. The line matches each other. Can you see? Then you can trim off the excess that you have. Can you see? So this is my sleeve after pinning it to the mannequin. Can you see? If I use my fabric and cut it, you will see how nice it will look like. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more sewing tutorial. If you have any question, you can drop on the comment section, and if you have any illustration you would like me to make, you can drop it on the comment section. Thank you and see you on our next tutorial. Bye bye.